Hey everyone, welcome back to KCP3AI News Channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how to become a millionaire through content creation. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your content to the next level, this video is packed with tips and strategies to help you reach that seven-figure mark. Let's get started. Let's dig into the 7 steps to strike it rich. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. It's important to pick something you're passionate about, but also something that has a large and engaged audience. Think about what you love to talk about, what you're good at, and what people are interested in. Combine these elements to find your perfect niche. Step 2. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create quality content. This is what will attract and retain your audience. Invest in good equipment, plan your content, and make sure it's engaging and valuable to your viewers. Consistency is key, so set a schedule and stick to it. Step 3. Let's talk about building your audience. Start by promoting your content on social media, engaging with your viewers in the comments, and collaborating with other creators. Use SEO strategies to make your content discoverable and consider running ads to boost your visibility. Step 4. Now let's get to the exciting part, making money. There are several ways to monetize your content. You can join ad networks, secure sponsorships, sell merchandise, offer premium content, and more. Diversify your income streams to maximize your earnings. Step 5. As you start earning, reinvest in your content to scale up. Hire a team to help with production, marketing, and management. This allows you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Expanding your reach through collaborations and new platforms can also significantly boost your growth. Step 6. The journey to becoming a millionaire isn't without its challenges. You'll face setbacks, but it's important to learn from them and keep moving forward. Stay adaptable, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to pivot your strategy when necessary. Step 7. Finally, with persistence, hard work, and smart strategies, you can achieve success. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small, and keep pushing towards your goals. Becoming a millionaire through content creation is possible, and it's incredibly rewarding. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to KCP3AI News Channel for more tips and strategies. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway or any questions you have. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.